you'll see over there on the side, you can mount whatever accessory you want onto it, and then through a pivot system, you can...
It slides with it.
Wow. I'm Josh.
Josh, I'm Matt. Tell us about your truck bed display. I think this is pretty sweet, and I really like that cover.
You know, we just kind of decided that we had an old truck bed around, so we might as well build a trailer out of it to show a lot of our products. So, yeah, the main one that we're showing there is our Guardian Tonneau cover. So we put some features and benefits into it with the channel going all the way around it, so you can see the crossbars on there.
Yeah, I'm noticing that.
We designed a hinge that allows you to open.
Yeah, show me that.
See over there on the side, you can mount whatever accessory you want onto it, and then through a pivot system, you can...
It slides with it.
So
wow.
You can actually have two of them. You can put a bike rack here and have your bike and your rooftop tent or a platform rack and open and close and still have the access to your truck bed. So, yeah.
Well, another thing I'd like for you to talk to us about, because we've done a couple installs on these, is your storage solution here.
Yeah, I mean, with tonneau covers being the king, let's face it, right? It's the king truck accessory. But you kind of lose some of the storage, so, you know, where a traditional chest or something like that you would have access to, or a crossover. With the tonneau, you don't. So we launched the under-tonneau storage drawer. And, I mean, this thing goes forever.
Yeah.
I mean, it just gives you a lot of usable, lockable storage, but yet it's still out of the way enough where, like, if you needed to put a 4x8 piece of sheetrock or plywood in there, you can still do that.
And it looks like you have a MOLLE rack.
A little swing out MOLLE panel, yeah. So one of the
swings out.
Yeah. So one of the let's just slide that thing out, so you can get access to it.
Wow, and you can really mount whatever you wanted. Like I'm thinking Milwaukee pack outs or something along those lines.
Ropes, hatchets, whatever your heart desired. So if you look at the full size one, it actually goes over the wheel well.
Wow.
So you get a little bit more usable space on it.
You aren't kidding.
Yeah.
Very cool.
And then our platform wrap using our Hex Series extrusion, some little storage toolboxes, poly toolboxes.
You guys making that as well?
We are, under-seat storage. When you have car seats, it's basically useless because you're not taking your car seat out to fold your seat up.
That is a very fair point.
This will slide out either way.
Wow.
So it doesn't matter what side of the truck you go to, you always have access and it slides out full length.
Really?
So when you put this down on this side, the lock, when you go that way, acts as your stop.
Wow. That is a pretty neat idea right there. Talk to us about these transfer tanks.
Yeah, from a Dee Zee perspective, we're the king of transfer tanks.
Yeah, there's no question about it.
We built the best transfer tank in the world. We have no warranties, virtually no leaks ever. You know, lots of different shapes, sizes, gallon capacity, DOT approved, non-DOT approved, combos with pumps in them under the thing. I mean, so just a wide range. Aluminum black, white, steel, you know, so just a wide range of shapes.
What's this black box right here?
So this is what we call our 5 drawer. So you would mount it like in the wheel well area, or like we did a flatbed where you mount it because it actually has a little quick release. So you can squeeze that and then you can slide this off and take it with you somewhere.
Wow.
And then dock it back on when you're ready.
It looks like it's got pretty ample storage space in there as well.
Yeah.
Wow.
You're an electrician, you're a plumber, you know, that type of guy. It's a great little accessory. So
anything else you want to show us?
Our new Pro Series toolbox that we just launched this is our premium and our fleet guy, our construction guy that's using the toolbox every day. So lots to come in this. We're just launching it right now with a couple side mounts and a couple crossovers, but we'll expand that into a full line.
Well, I like that you have the hooks on the front to be able to tie stuff down.
Yep.
Yeah, absolutely.
Heavy duty construction, lots of unique bends and shapes, and a lot more to come in this line.
Well, thank you for taking the time to talk with us.
Thank you, buddy.
Really appreciate it.